The current public sector compensation restructuring process and negotiations has provided all of Jamaica with an insight into the attitude of the government towards labour and industrial relations. The same is true of the government's response to the Supreme Court's ruling as to the status of security guards as employees rather than independent contractors, which I would regard as a piecemeal response. Instead of pursuing a long overdue structural reform to protect all workers in Jamaica, whether in the public or private sector, who are being denied their full rights as employees by the misuse of the legal device of contract work. The government has preferred merely to tinker with the problem by singling out a few public bodies to have their employment relations regularized. And, you know, as happy as we are for the solid waste workers and so on, this is not a wholesome approach. A structural change is needed. And in avoiding the real issue in this way, the government has missed an important opportunity and has therefore taken industrial relations backwards, where we intend to move it in a new direction, in keeping with this party's historical commitment to the rights of workers. Successive PNP governments have had a track record of defending workers and enacting important progressive employment legislation. Our new direction will be grounded in the 4 pillars of decent work of the International Labour Organization, the ILO, promoting jobs and enterprise, guaranteeing rights at work, extending social protection for all workers, and promoting constructive and respectful dialogue and consultation at the workplace.